Venezuela just made global headlines, but it's not just politics, it's about money, oil, and the world economy. The United States carried out a surprising military operation in Venezuela, involving airstrikes in Caracas and other regions, and the reported capture of President Nicolás Maduro, the US. The president says the operation was aimed at removing Maduro from power and has stated that the United States will temporarily run Venezuela until a safe transition can take place. There are reports of explosions, military action, and an emergency declaration by the Venezuelan government, which calls it foreign military aggression. Several world leaders and global organizations are already reacting to the event. Now, the economic side. Venezuela has one of the world's largest crude oil reserves. When a country with major natural resources is destabilized, it affects global energy markets, investor confidence, and regional trade flows, especially in a world still balancing energy supply after recent oil shocks. So this isn't just political drama, it's economic drama. Oil prices, investment risk, regional markets, and even currency stability are now suddenly part of the story. If you want a deeper breakdown of how this could affect oil prices and global markets, comment oil impact and I'll make part 2